let's make a shrimp pasta for dinner. Okay, we're starting off with some butter. I've got some Irish Gold, is that what it's called? Butter in a pan, heating up. We're gonna chop, I don't know, as much garlic as your heart desires. Oh. Gonna add our garlic to the pan, it's sizzling. We're gonna season our shrimp. This is just frozen shrimp from Kroger that I've thawed out. All right, we're gonna keep this simple. It's gonna do a little bit of salt. I'm kind of addicted to garlic, so I'm just gonna add some more garlic seasoning. We're also gonna throw some red pepper on the shrimpies. Garlic is just like starting to turn brown. Now we're gonna put the shrimp into our pan. I forgot to add my shallots, so we're doing that now. Definitely cook your shallot before your garlic. Don't be like me. This wasn't a total flop. The shallots are cooking and it looks good. Time to reincorporate our shrimpies. We've got some Trader Joe's Charles Shaw. Figure a 4th cup, it should be good. Some more red pepper. We're using hearts of palm pasta because I've just been eating really heavy and this will give me pasta vibes. I get mine from Trader Joe's. This is super weird. It's like honestly astronaut food, but that's okay. I think it tastes good once it's like sauced. Oh, I love this. This is in my hearts of palm pasta. It's just a giant chunk of hearts of palm. I'm gonna add in another half a tablespoon of butter because I only did 1 to begin with and I like butter. Just got some lemon. I'm gonna just squeeze. Oop, that's the lemon pit. Oh, no, no, no. She's smoking now. We're burning off that wine. So I got this bunch of parsley for like 80 cents weeks ago and it is on its last leg. So we're just gonna like pick her apart, throw her in. Normally I'd chop up parsley, I just got really lazy. Hearts of palm is definitely different than regular pasta, so I'm gonna give it a taste, see what else it needs. Oh, hot, very hot. It's actually, wow, it's actually really good. This was the recipe we used on fresh pasta. Video on my YouTube channel if you wanna see. I assumed that we would need to do something different to help with the hearts of palm flavor, but to be honest, it tastes freaking good. I actually do wanna add in some arugula because I have it. And I want to bulk up my meal, so we're gonna just throw this on top, mix this in just until it is wilted. Okay, the arugula is wilted. It's looking really nice, but I'm not a monster, so I am gonna add in some parm and some pecorino, a little more fresh lemon. If it will come out. Sprinkle of pecorino because I just love it all. Wow. I'm so excited. All right, so we've got our finished product. It's looking really good. Time for the taste test. Shrimp, arugula, cheese. Cheers. Oh my God. Wow. And if you eat a hearts of palm pasta, don't expect pasta. Like, this is a really fresh recipe. It's shaped like pasta. It's a pasta recipe. And it gives me the satisfaction of a pasta, but it's not pasta. Honestly, what is this? Besides that, 10 out of 10. You gotta try it.